Hello friends, I welcome you all to the class of English compulsory second year. In the previous class we dealt with the essay to youth written by Sardar Bhagat Singh. Today we are going to start with the second non-fictional prose item from the unit number 7, non-fictional prose. The title of the essay is The Quest for Happiness. It is written by H.H. Dalai Lama. First of all, let us have a glance at the perspective of the author H.S. Dalai Lama. Then we shall deal with gist of the text. After knowing about the author and the text, we shall proceed ahead with the discussion of outline summary of the same essay. Then in the following lecture, we shall deal with the textual explanation of the essay, The Quest for Happiness. H.S. Dalai Lama is the 14th and current Dalai Lama. He is highly renowned Buddhist monk. He is popularly known as religious preacher, Buddhist scholar, and a spiritual writer at the international platform. He was born on 6th July 1935 in a farming and horse trading family in a small hamlet. Hamlet means village located in Takstar and Amdo, northeastern Tibet. His Holiness began his monastic education at the age of 6. He is greatly influenced by the philosophy and teachings of Lord Gautam Buddha. In 1959, following the brutal suppression of the Tibetan national uprising in Lhasa by Chinese troops, H.H. Dalai Lama was forced to escape into exile. Since then, he has been living in MacLeod in a suburb of Dharmashala in Kangra district of Himachal Pradesh, northern India. The Dalai Lama is a man of peace. In 1989, he was awarded Nobel Prize for his non-violent struggle for the Tibetan liberation. Dalai Lama is a spiritual preacher. He is a Buddhist scholar, religious preacher, and a spiritual writer. He has been living in India since 1959. In other words, we can say he has been in exile since 1959. His dedication for the establishment of peace is recognized across the world. As a token of his efforts, he was honored with Nobel Prize for Peace in 1989. This is the perspective of the author H.S. Dalai Lama. Let us proceed ahead with the outline gist of the text or the essay, The Quest for Happiness, which is based on three fundamental elements of happiness, that is wealth, health and friendship. The Quest for Happiness deals with the subject of human survival with hope. It is basically oriented towards the pursuit of happiness and the avoidance of suffering. The Dalai Lama throws light on wealth or prosperity, health and friendship or compassion in this essay, The Quest for Happiness. The Dalai Lama makes it clear that his essay is based on the secular context which is beyond religious teaching. It is interesting to read from where happiness is derived. Happiness is the basic requirement of human life. All human beings have been making efforts right from morning till the evening, right from birth till the death, to get happiness. And here in this essay, The Quest for Happiness, H.S. Dalai Lama has discussed the things or the elements from where happiness can be obtained or happiness is derived. The essay highlights the importance of secular ethics that can also be used in our daily life. These are ethics that can be used by both religious and non-religious people. Here, the Dalai Lama makes suggestions and offers advice on how to get rid of destructive emotions and help human beings achieve happiness. In this essay, Dalai Lama makes suggestions. He offers advice on how to get rid of destructive emotions and help human beings to achieve happiness. In this essay, the Dalai Lama justifies the importance of compassion and emphasizes the importance of having healthy relationships and financial security in tandem with proper health. But the true source of happiness cannot be derived from earthly things. He maintains rather finding purpose and continually practicing mindfulness is one's only viable step towards obtaining true satisfaction and ultimately joy. Thus, the quest for happiness is based on happiness. In this essay, H.S. Dalai Lama has made an attempt to discuss the elements which can derive happiness. So Dalai Lama, he was born on 6th July 1935 in Tibet. After Chinese uprising in Tibet, he left Tibet, came to India, has been living in India since 1959 in Himachal Pradesh. He is a spiritual writer, religious preacher and Buddhist scholar. Dalai Lama was highly influenced by the preachings and philosophy of Lord Gautam Buddha since his early childhood. Dalai Lama's work has been recognized for the establishment of peace by the world community Therefore, he was honored with Nobel Prize for Literature in 1989. He was awarded for Nobel Prize. He was honored with the Nobel Prize for his non-violent struggle for the liberation of Tibet. The present essay, The Quest for Happiness, deals with the essence of happiness. In this essay, Dalai Lama has discussed elements which derive happiness for human beings. He focuses on health, friendship, and wealth in the present essay. Dear students, in the next class we shall deal with outline summary of the same essay, The Quest for Happiness. With this, I would like to stop here. Rest of the things we shall continue in the next lecture. Thank you very much.